Welcome back. Now we are unboxing entry level Nokia 105 keypad phone. Colors charcoal and blue color available. Comes with a micro USB pin, separate battery and a quick start guide. Micro USB charger, audio jack 3.5 mm, very handy, charcoal color, up to 12 hours of talk time, 15 to 18 days of standby phone, 1.7 inches display. You can store up to 2000 contacts, and a free game is also inbuilt. Free game torch is available. Now you can see the torch light. You can play the snake game. The keys are rubber offset, good quality rubber. Comes with a warranty.